Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing from Yensa Beauty. I'm so excited about this box, guys. I am now an affiliate for Yensa. I have loved Yensa for a couple of years now. I got introduced to them through Ipsy. So if you want to see what they sent me and let's try it on together, well then just keep on watching. Are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. If you do not know me, my name is Belinda. I am a mature self-taught makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do unboxings, tutorials, techniques, skincare, reviews. Once in a while I'll throw in a cooking video around the holidays, but if that sounds like something that you are interested in, well then please hit that subscribe button and please don't forget to ring that bell to all so you do not miss an upload. So now let's jump into this box and put some makeup on this mug from Yensa Beauty. Guys, I have loved Yensa for so long. So this is what the box looks like. It says, live your yin, enhancing beauty through superfoods. 8 super black essentials: black sesame oil, black seaweed, black tea, shiitake mushrooms, black rice, Korean black raspberry, nettle, and chia seed. So Yensa is vegan and cruelty free, and I think we might have got the new foundation, the Super Serum Silk Foundation, vitamin C and E. Super Serum Silk Foundation offers a skin-like full coverage glow while working to help firm, smooth, and brighten your complexion from within. The Ritual: prep skin with Yensa Tone Up Primer. Apply and blend on an even layer of Super Serum Silk Foundation by Yensa blending tool. Superfood: supercharged with sun-loving peptides and age-defying complex with vitamin C, E, ferulic, bok choy, that one I can't say, oil, and 8 other super black essences. To dig into this box and see what all they sent me. Thank you so very much, Yensa. I have loved your stuff. What I have got to try, chef's kiss, guys. Every little thing that I have tried has been amazing, to the point of me wanting to try everything. Oh, so I got these 3 beautiful things right here. Let's read about them. I got the Yensa Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream, 8 Power Pink Essence. Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. A rich, nourishing face cream formulated with pink lotus and peptides to brighten, depuff, and visibly firm the skin. Pink Lotus is rich in antioxidants with anti-inflammatory benefits, powered by 8 Power Pink Essences. Hydrates to visibly plump and restore bounce to the skin. Peptides nourish, leading to firmer, younger looking skin. The Ritual: gently apply cream morning and night. onto clean skin. For best results, apply in an upward motion onto face, neck, and décolleté. And I always tell you guys, don't forget this part right here, because that's where your wrinkles and your age is going to start showing first, is neck and décolleté. Ooh, she's a pretty girl. Ooh, I got the Serum, Super Serum Silk Foundation. Vitamin C and E, Furlic Bok Choy, or whatever, and the 8 Super Black Essences. And I think I got the color Light Warm, so we will see. The Ritual Prep Skin with Yensa Tone Up Primer. Apply and blend an even layer of Super Serum Silk Foundation with any Yensa blending tool. And then what's this? Oh my gosh, I got a concealer. Yes! The BB and CC Full Coverage Concealer. 8 Super Black Essences. And this shows you what all it is made out of. So guys, let's just try this out. So we're going to dip into this. Thank you so much, Yensa. I did use the, oh, this is thick and nice. I did use the, ooh, this is nice, guys. I had a little bit of that green L'Oreal BB Magic Green Cream right here to try to cover my redness. You can see it moved, but that's okay. I'll definitely be putting this in my skincare routine. This is not even a joke. This stuff is thick. Leaves a nice glow. Okay, so we're going to start out with this foundation. Oh wow, look how pretty, guys. And this is in the color Light Warm. So I am going to use my Anissa Beauty. And I'm just going to pump it onto my brush. Just a couple pumps. And we're just going to dot it. And then start working it in. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. Look at that shine. I do need just a couple more little pumps. I'm going to bring that down the neck and onto the chest. May your foundation always match your neck. And that's the way it's supposed to go. This is really nice. So that looks really nice. I did not add any of my BB illumination cream into that. That's straight out of the tube, and that is a beautiful glow. And it actually matches pretty darn good. Oh, I love this. I have to get me some of that Tone Up primer. Now we are going to go in with the BC concealer. Look how pretty that made my skin. Ooh, I love. Okay, Skin on Skin. Let me read this. Skin on Skin BC Concealer. A BB, CC, and full coverage concealer in one. Formulated with 8 super black essences, the multitasker delivers 8 powerful benefits in one step. The Ritual. Apply a smooth, even layer of BC foundation all over the skin. Blend BC concealer around eye or even blemishes to instantly ease the look of imperfections. Okay, so sorry that took a minute. I can't see without my glasses on, so I was doing good, guys. And let's see what she looks like. Here is a... Wow, she feels nice. Alright, let's do this. Oh, I am just so excited to... I can't believe that I am an ambassador for Yensa Beauty. I love Yensa Beauty so much. Alright, now I'm going to get my concealer brush, my Anissa Pinnacle concealer brush. Let's start down here. Ooh, that is pretty. And they matched me up really good. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look how smooth my under eye looks to over here. Holy cow. And I haven't even put powder or anything on. Wow. Wow. That looks so nice. Okay. Wow. I am loving everything that they sent me. Let me give you just a... Let me do just a little squirt on the back of my hand to show you the color of the foundation. This is the color of the foundation, and this is the color of the concealer. So pretty. I love that. That is so nice. And it's in a beautiful packaging. Oh, thank you so much, Yansa. I am in shock. And guys, they even provided me with a discount code for you guys and a link. And you guys get to save 30% off of your purchase with my discount code BelindaMua. I'll put that across the screen. And again, it will be in the description below. As always, I have started putting every single link below to the things that I wear, where you can find them. If they're not on a website, I link them through my Amazon storefront. Most of those are affiliate links, and I do make a very small commission off of the affiliate links, but that just helps me here on YouTube to keep getting products to review for you guys, but get you the chance to try something with a and getting a discount on it. And also, I've had this I guess since last year or the year before, and this came with it. I'm going to just do a swatch on the back of my hand because I'm not finished I've got to do another unboxing after this. But this is the Sunlit Glow Silk Bronzing Base. Guys, this is amazing. As you can see, I have used it quite a bit. It makes your face so beautiful, and when you go outside, it's like glowy. It has a little glow to it. It's so pretty, and it goes on so smooth and so even. You should most definitely check this out. I'm going to put it on once I get my face finished. But check this product out too, and check out their eye cream. I really love their eye cream. Let me know in the comments what you think of the face, how you think it looks, and all the products that they sent me. And do you think that you will try... Oh, my face feels so good. Do you think that you will try anything from Yansa Beauty? If so, let me know in the comments what you might pick up for yourself. That is the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature southern lady from the South, well then honey, hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.